एवरीवन, वेलकम वंस अगेन इन गुरुजी क्लासेस। आज हम असाइनमेंट वर्कशीट फोर्थ करेंगे जो कि है हमारी क्लास 8 की। तो यहाँ पर ये असाइनमेंट वर्कशीट आपको दी है जिसमें आपको 2 मार्क्स का है ये एक क्वेश्चन, और हर क्वेश्चन आपको कम से कम 2 लाइन्स का लिखना है। तो आपको पहले कंसेंट पैसेज दिया गया है। डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट रेफर्स टू द एफिशिएंट management of resources and responsibilities that will help in lessening the impact of the disaster. It always a well-planned plan of action so we can make efforts to reduce the dangers and caused by the disaster to a minimum. Most importantly, one must understand that disaster management does not necessarily eliminate the threat completely, but it decreases the impact of the disaster. It focuses on formulating specific plans, and to do so, the National Disaster Management Authority (NDMA) in India is responsible for monitoring the disaster of country. This organization runs a number of programs to mitigate the risk and increase the responsiveness. Proper disaster management can be done when we make the citizens aware of the precautionary measures to take when they face emergency situations. For instance, everyone must know we should hide under a bed or a table whenever there is an earthquake. Thus, the NDMA needs to take more organized effort to decrease the damage that disasters are causing. If all the citizens learn the basic ways to save themselves, and if the government take more responsive measures, we can surely save a lot of life and vegetation. So now हमारे क्वेश्चन है, सभी क्वेश्चन हमारे 2 मार्क्स के हैं। सो पहले जो आपके क्वेश्चन है 5 वो आपके इसमें से है, और बाकी के 5 आपके सुनामी चैप्टर पर बेस्ड है। तो पहला है, व्हाट डज डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट रेफर टू? डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट refers to efficient management of resources and responsibilities that will help in lessening the impact of the disaster. Why do we need a well-planned plan of action? We need well-planned plan of action so we can make effective efforts to reduce the dangers caused by the disaster to a minimum. Next, what is NDMA responsible for? The Natural Disaster Management Authority, that is NDMA, in India is responsible for monitoring the disasters of the country. What should we learn when there is an earthquake? Everyone must know. We should hide under a bed or a table whenever there is an earthquake. Next and last question is of the scene passage, that how can we save a lot of life and vegetation? If all the citizens learn the basic ways to save themselves, and if the government takes more responsive measures, we can surely save a lot of life and vegetation. Next, आपका है answer the following from the previous worksheet. How did the dog save their master? Two dogs of a person living in Gale refused to go for their routine morning walk to the beach and thus saved their self and their owner's life. Next, what happened in Patangala? Patangala में क्या हुआ when tsunami came? 60 visitors were washed away from the Patangaram beach inside park, but no animal carcasses found except 2 water buffaloes. Why did the animal did not die in Yala National Park? Animals have sixth sense, which helps them and give them a signal of natural disaster. Their hearing power and sensing earth's vibration also help them to save. Next, what is tsunami? A tsunami is a very large and powerful waves caused by the earthquake or undersea volcanic eruptions. It is a natural disaster. What did Tilly learn in her geography lesson? Tilly learned in her geography lesson about tsunami. She saw the sea rise slowly and start form bubbles and whirlpools. She remembered the video and she had seen in the school which saved many people's life. सो आप इस तरह से वर्कशीट करेंगे। अब हम मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वर्कशीट के साथ, तब तक के लिए बाय।